so simple to make. I know it looks complicated, but I can guarantee you guys it's very not. As I said, it's 6x6 and it folds flat, so you can use a 6x6 envelope, and then yeah, super pretty. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am so happy to meet you and welcome to my channel. Today is another episode of Fancy Fold Thursday, and I'm going to be showing you how to make this V card, but also it pops out like that and you get a tower in the middle. Okay, so it folds flat, it's 6x6, and then when you open it, ta-da, you get all these little parts. So you have one panel there, one panel there, of course the main panel with the sentiment and the design paper, and then you've got a cut there, and then you've got a surprise on the back, because in there you got another window, as you can see there, so you can put another message, you can do anything. So you've got that pop there. Okay, so really pretty. I really like this card. So simple to make. I know it looks complicated, but I can guarantee you guys it's very not. As I said, it's 6x6 and it folds flat, so you can use a 6x6 envelope, and then yeah, super pretty. I used some autumn colors, so I love the sunflowers, some gigginum in there, and then I used these it's called Painted Harvest from Stampin Up. So I used this sentiment. It says, "Your kindness means so much more than you will ever know." And then you get the 2 layers, actually 3 with this part in the middle. So I've used a brown, orange and black to create the design on the sunflowers there. I think it's really pretty. So that's the other side. Right, let me show you how to make it, because it's, as I said, it's super simple. Now this is from the Works. The main cardstock is yellow. It's part of the rainbow. I think it's got rainbow. I think I got it here. No, it's not that one. It's another one. Anyway, so I think it's called rainbow color, so you've got all different colors, and then that's a 12x12. Now the template, which you will be able to download it on my Facebook group, it will be in scale. Now because I'm used for this little template, I use an A4. It won't be in scale, but you get the gist of it. So what you need 2 pieces of cardstock that is 12x6, okay, and which will get you, so that's 12 and that's 6, so you get 2. You need 2 of those. So the actual base of the card, which is this one with the window, I call it TV screen because it looks like a TV screen, is this one. Okay, so what you need to do, guys, you need to 12x6, so you score it and fold it as 6. And then each of these panel here that frame it is an inch each. So that's an inch, 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 that's an inch. So when you score it with your pencil at 1 inch, you've got the little frame. Okay, so you ended up having the frame there and this inside piece here, which is 4x4. Don't throw it, because that little square is actually the pop-up piece, which is this one here. Can you see it? Which is the main square there. So don't throw it, keep it, because you're going to use for that. Okay, so that's the base. As we said, you've got a little window, and then the card that goes on top of it with the panels is again 12x12. And then you fold it, score it and fold it 3, 6, 9, and of course 12. So you get 4 pieces that you're going to fold like concertina. So mountain valley, so you get this sort of shape. Yeah, so you get a W or an M, depends what size you're looking at. So this is the first rectangular, which is 3, then of course it's 6, and then it's 9, and then that's the 12. So on the last rectangle here, which is the 3 by 6, which is this one here, 3 by 6, you're going to again measure 1 inch of each side, and you get this little rectangle here, which is basically, guys, this one. Yeah. And what you simply do, you adhere it, and I'll show you together. I'm gonna do it with you so you can see it with some scissors. There. Okay, so this, the first 3 by 6 is going on this side. So that's the card with the TV screen. So on the inside bit, so we're going to glue it like that. I mean, you can use glue. I just use double-sided sellotape because it's quicker. Okay, so you get this sort of shape. So that will stick down. Then you, with your finger there, you just kind of fold it like that. So your second panel, which is 6 by 6, this one here, will stay like that. This is the front panel, which is this one here. And then you end up having this panel here, which is the last one, which again is 3 by 6 with a little window. And what we do, guys, we're going to put some double-sided tape or glue, whatever you guys want to use it. Just pop some in there so you guys can see it. Peel it off, and that you're going to glue into this side here. Yeah, so remember the TV screen, this panel here, so you're going to adhere that in there just like that. Yeah, and that's your card. I know, as I said, I know it looks complicated, but it really isn't. You can leave it like that and just decorate if you want to this side here or this side there. So it's all totally up to you, because this can be the front of your card, but I wanted this one to be the front of my card, hence why the sentiments, the decoration is in here. So if you want to, then you get another piece of paper or cardstock, and then you just glue it in there so it pops out like that. Now I haven't got any piece, but let me just show you for argument's sake. So let's pretend that's the square. What you would do, well, almost, you will glue that there, and that will be the panel that pops out. And then when you fold it, just make sure when you glue it so it stays flat like that. Okay. Right, guys, that is it. I hope I explained it clearly. I really like it. I know I keep saying it, but I really like it. On the back here, I just put another piece of cardstock with the woodland, and then I'm just going to put a little message in there. Okay, guys, that is it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me the usual big thumbs up, because I will support the video doing well, because you guys telling YouTube that you like what I make. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until next time, stay safe and well.